time that happened to me, and then he came to kiss me, I'm like, baby, keep that to yourself. I don't want no parts. I'm gonna bust down your back is dry. Nah, make sure you lotion your back too. I don't know, it's gonna help calm down whatever going on down there. So I just shaved, so I put welcome back to my channel, y'all. Look at me in this new video. Get ready with me. So I usually use Caress, and then with the Caress, yeah, just rub it over with my body first. Literally, I wash from top up to top down, and then I always do my armpits first because I use aluminum deodorant, and then you see how it's a little tough. It be a little tough, but like the fresher your this is one of those little net things. The fresher it is, the rougher it is, the easier it comes off. My shit is old as hell, so it was barely coming off. But literally, I usually like just use soap to shave, and I'll shave it first, just one time straight like that, and then I'll probably go back in and do it a couple times under each arm. I use the fat razor ones though. Do not use some skinny little razors. They don't do nothing at all. So I'll probably go through, and then I always shave my vagina right after I shave my armpits with a different razor. I'll go in with some, this is like a sugar scrub, it's citrus, it smells like oranges, so if you don't like oranges, so use that scent. I put those over the areas that I shave, my armpit, my vagina, things like that. And then this is how I work my way down. Now it's feminine wash time. I use this Sweet Spot one. It's unscented. It's cool. It doesn't really do anything to my like area, like make it uncomfortable. But still, you want to put this on the outside, not the inside at all. This next step is a little crazy. So before we can get there, make sure this little bottle I'm about to show you is filled with water. Most important step, you use distilled water, or you can use just warm water or whatever. You could break off the cap part, and I just bend over like I'm shaving and squirt this up my booty hole a couple times to get that clean. But yeah, if y'all want more tea, let me know. Then the legs part is regular. I just shave my legs the regular way people shave their legs. I use soap. I don't like to use actual like shaving cream. I feel like soap works fine for me. As you can see, the hair comes off. I usually go like over a couple times, bring the soap back down. I literally do this while my whole body is soapy, like in between steps. And this is usually the not last step, but like the really last step to shaving my legs. And then once that time, like it's not like a cute amount. It's always like a ridiculous amount that comes into your hand. And then it's like, don't forget about your feet. Okay? Get your feet. Hold that leg up. Scrub them feet. Don't mind my dirty bar. It's because I wear Uggs, and the Uggs turn my heel black, so that the bar gets black. It's a long story. But then I have like a little brush I use for like I've had my toes done. I don't like scratching my colors, my gel, not at all. So I use that, and then that's it. Okay, let's come out the shower. First thing I do actually moisturize my lips. I use this Laneige to moisturize my lips first. My face dry. Let me hurry up.
Because I'm not asking him for any money or any type of financial support. I'm making enough money now that I'm barely making my bills as it is. I can't make some of our marital bills that we have.
Okay, once all Laneige is done, this is assuming y'all done brushed y'all teeth. It's literally like 3 o'clock. I think it just turned 3 o'clock. I have a flight tonight, but I'm getting some when I get off the flight. So I was like, I want to prepare myself mentally, physically, and emotionally. So after that, you put your things on. You're gonna take your pills. I take 2 of these, which will stop focusing on me. 2 of these, and I take 2 of these. So let me take that. These not that bad. The chlorophyll not that bad, but this fenugreek, these some big ass pills. Step 1, I lotion my whole body with this. I might have to just do this rush and then like cut some parts and show y'all because I'm in a rush. But I lotion my body with this first. Get everywhere. Get your feet most importantly, because you could do all that scrubbing just now. You don't lotion your feet, that shit gonna be ashy. I had to turn on because my mirror was showing everything. My mirror was showing everything over there. Okay. I really hate when the middle of my boobs is dry. I don't do like my intimate areas with lotion. I just kind of skip over it. Then you're gonna take the body oil. It's like nothing in here left. This is, you lotion, use this to lotion all your other little intimate areas. You know what I'm talking about? Down there. Don't forget to get your crack, girl. Oh, I forgot my witch hazer. So I take one pad and I just do my butt crack with one. Do the butt crack with one. Okay. But yeah, if you see that, I came back with too much because I don't got no clothes. If you see that it's dirty, I would say go back in with another one and then do it again. But mine's is fine because I do it all the time. So then you're going to take it again. If you got ingrowns, pop them ingrowns real quick, girl. Well, don't pop them, but like, I just like to pat them onto the area like right after I shave. Because I be feeling like, I don't know. It's going to help calm down whatever going on down there. So I just shaved, so I put some on. So that's done. So then now you can put on your body oils that we got. And then usually next, I put on my booty deodorant. I put this on like between the cheeks and that little area in the middle, if that makes sense. If that makes sense. If you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying? When he go down there, he gonna smell this. He gonna be like, I actually have all the flavors. I have all the flavors. I have laundry. This is like out the shower. You just want to smell good. I don't really recommend this for like, yeah. Then the peach one is cool, but the favorite one is the watermelon for me. So I'm only gonna pack the watermelon one. So if you have really dry spots though, like say you lotion it and you see like you got a patch of skin that's giving eczema vibes, I would say go in with some Eucerin. Cause dry ain't cute, bro. You be trying to bust down, your back is dry. Nah, make sure you lotion your back too. So then I go on my Fenty. This is the, I'll be honest with y'all, this smell like this. Like if you wanted to get something that smells like, I don't know. I thought it would smell better and then I got it and then I realized these two is about the same shit. So, oh well. But then I have nails, so I usually go on my finger like this, kind of like, cause it's sparkly. I don't want no sparkles trapped under my nails. This usually like enough. This, I do it between my boobs first. Make sure like this. They're gonna see it. Like that's usually enough for the top half, and then I be having to go back in for a next piece for the bottom half. Look at my face here. I'm pretty dry. So once that's done, what's next? So I smell good. I like to put on perfume as soon as I come out the shower because I feel like for me personally it makes me feel good. This is the Dossier Amber Vanilla. I don't know what dupe this is for. Literally, I bought these because I like the smells. Okay. You see I split that hair and hair? I split these hair to hair because I'm about to go to the airport. You know what I'm saying? But if you're really about to go to an appointment, do like these areas. Like on your, in between your arm. Like areas that nobody gonna ever try to lick. You know what I'm saying? And I always tell my friends, do behind your knees. That little area behind your knees, bro, go a long way. So do behind your knees. Doing your elbows. I don't spray on my neck if you know, it's one of those kind of vibes. And then put on my little panties. And then yeah. Oh, but yeah, because nobody's trying to be in the middle of things and they sucking on perfume. And I hate, one time that happened to me and then he came to kiss me. I'm like, baby, keep that to yourself. I don't want no parts of that. Respectfully. But yeah, y'all. Oh, and then, so because of the chlorophyll, I don't really sweat like that. So I usually use the Dove spray, invisible spray at night. But I think I might put a little bit of Suave on just because I'm about to go to the airport and I might get hot and start sweating. And look how nice my armpit looks. My armpit looks so nice. I shave with just what's this called? Soap. I don't really use like shaving creams. Me personally, it doesn't really affect me, but I don't know. Everybody different. Do what works for you. And this is not aluminum free deodorant, so do works for you. I don't even think I need aluminum deodorant, but I'm one of those people like I ain't gonna fix what's ain't broke. I know it worked for me, so I'm gonna keep on using it. And that's on period. So I'm back. So I just came for some tips and tricks that I know people be like, you're not supposed to brush your teeth before sex. Don't know about that. I usually chew like the cheapest gum ever because I just don't want it in my mouth for a long time. But if you feel like your breath a little hot, chew some gum. This is the gum I chew. I'm gonna put this in my bag. Come out to eat. I'm not even gonna chew it yet. I'm gonna chew it after I eat. So I'm like, gum is your best friend if you feel like your breath is hot. Chew some gum. What else I gotta tell y'all? Yeah, if you use the fenugreek but then you use the booty deodorant at the same time, your partner's not gonna be able to taste both. So you can use, like, I take the fenugreek to taste good, and that's cool, but they're not gonna be able to taste both at the same time though. So just take that in mind as you go. Take that in mind as you go. Like if you use fenugreek and you use the other shit at the same time, yeah, I had to close the door. My sister's TV loud. But like I said, if you're the type of person that likes to use the fenugreek, it's fine. It doesn't do anything to my body personally. It's supposed to make you taste good. Okay, kiki. But if you use booty deodorant, I don't really feel like you're gonna taste the fenugreek. So yeah. So if you want to really experience it, like what I do is, like, I will do one thing at a time and then like ask my partner, like, do you taste a difference? Do you see a different vibe? Is it the same vibe? Or what's the, like, you know, like, what are you feeling? Because I know what I'm feeling. What are you feeling? You know what I'm saying? But that's about it. If you have any comments, questions, concerns about anything that I use, just leave it below, really, because I'll probably have to do a voiceover for the shower part because I went kind of fast because I'm in a rush to go to the airport. But yeah, y'all. Thank you for watching.